Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a rally today. Who thought Nifty will rally like this? In fact, everybody was expecting Reliance to go up today. That's because the government has removed the windfall tax on locally produced crude oil. And everyone thought, the Singapore Nifty indicating 40-50 point gap up, they thought it's because of Reliance. But in fact, the Reliance has gone down today. So it is HDFC and HDFC Bank that led the rally. In fact, yesterday in US ADR also, the banking stocks didn't do very well. But it was so surprising. So probably, they come out with a business outlook. They just announce, how much deposits they got, how much loan they lent. Probably that could be one reason. And today, more than 2.5% rally in both HDFC and HDFC Bank. And that led the rally. Then L&T, ITC, Infosys and TCS, today IT stocks. And in fact, in the morning, the Nifty has hugely outperformed the Bank Nifty. But then slowly Bank Nifty also in the afternoon moved higher. Actually today nobody expected this kind of a market move. And that too, given the fact that European markets are slightly lower and US futures on top of yesterday's fall, today also US futures are lower. And against this backdrop, and Nifty rallying so much and beyond 17,600 in futures, nobody expected. And the first quarter, we underperformed the world markets hugely. I think now it is getting corrected. So in the past also, I mentioned many times that in the short term, we might underperform the global markets, but in the next few months, in the longer term, we will always go along with the global markets. So that underperformance is getting corrected now. And today, no surprise, FIIs have turned net buyers once again. So they have bought for 806 crores, while the domestic institutions have sold for 947 crores. So net institutional figure is still negative, and I always say, the domestic institutional investors and FIIs, these two are two big gangsters. And the retail is a third gangster, will always align with the FIIs. So this is what I've been observing for the past many years. Today, both retail and FII on the buy side, domestic institutions on the sell side. So no wonder the market moved higher. And today, look at the Larsen & Toubro. In fact, the last 1 year, if there is one stock consistently outperformed the world markets, so that is Larsen & Toubro. And why I'm talking about this, usually if capital goods stocks do very well, 6 months to 1 year down the lane, the economy tends to do better. So this is my observation. So if any economic activity picking up, that will be first reflected in the capital goods sector. But of course, it is only the Larsen & Toubro has been doing very well, not other stocks like BHEL. However, today there was a huge block deal in BHEL, and I think BHEL is a stock that one can look at this price. In between it went up to 84, 85 rupees, now it has come to 68, 69 rupees, and that is trading below the book value. And if Larsen & Toubro is doing extremely well, over a period of time, I think BHEL will catch up. So that's about positional trade. And tomorrow is a weekly expiry, and tomorrow is a monetary policy meeting, RBI policy meeting, and people are expecting 25 basis point hike. If RBI want to surprise, so there's a possibility they may go for a pass, or if they hike 25 basis point, and definitely they will give some dovish comments after that. So therefore, either no hike or a small hike with a dovish comment. But small hike with a dovish comment, it seems to be more probable right now. and that has already been factored in. So I don't think that RBI policy is going to be an event tomorrow. It's going to be a non-event. However, before 10 o'clock, 9:15 to 10 o'clock, the Bank Nifty may be a little bit more volatile, and after that it is likely to subside. Since there is nothing much to talk today, I can talk about one trade which I highlighted. So on Sunday, Dalal Street Week Ahead program, I just mentioned tomorrow, as and when the market dips, I will be buying 17,800 call option. I will be financing it by selling 16,800 put option. So that trade has gone very well. And today, in the last two trading sessions, call option also gave profit and put option also gave profit. And today, I just wanted to exit all my position. By mistake, this position also I exited. And anyway, it's a profit booking only. So therefore nothing to worry. Then after that I thought, the way market is rallying. So what I did at the end of today, not end of today, about 1 hour before, I sold 17,000 put option and I used that money to buy 18,000 call option. So now I am trying to be more greedy, and if the markets move non-stop like this, I will be making some profit. However, as long as Nifty is not falling below 17,000, I have nothing to lose. So a similar trade which I have taken last month, I did not gain anything. I came out with no loss, no profit. But this time I have already booked some profit, now some more. And moreover, I may be talking about 1 or 2 trades which I am taking, but I really take hundreds of trades. And somewhere, this trade become the hedge for those trades. So in fact, in the month of May, I sold 18,000 call option and 17,000 put option. The way markets are moving higher, I'm worried about my 18,000 call option in the May series. So therefore, buying of 18,000 call option in this series will become a natural hedge. Lots and lots of trades, so here and there, so this become hedge for that, that become hedge for this, and so on. So at the end of the day, we don't make very good profit, but we are very happy if we make 3-4% per month, and that is an extraordinary return for the kind of capital that we deploy. It looks like you may ask one question, sir, how come, why did you buy the call option? Why did you finance it? So what is the logic? The logic is very simple, and I've been telling you many times, in the last 25 years, only 2 times the Nifty fell continuously for 4 months, and this is the 3rd time. And uniformly in the past 3 months or 4 months, if the Nifty closed in red, the 5th month uniformly there was a very big green candle. So I was expecting a big green candle in the month of April, and that expectation has come true now. So that's how I'm making some good profit. I started telling stories because I don't know what to talk, because today there's nothing much to talk. And looking at the open interest, I think 17,500 seems to be a good support for tomorrow. I think there was a huge addition of open interest at 17,500. But anyway, tomorrow I have closed all my weekly positions because I don't want to keep position ahead of RBI policy. You sell for small peanuts, and then if in case markets move violently, you will be losing a lot of money. So we will see how the US market closes today, how the RBI policy goes tomorrow. But the month of April seems to be a very good one. I think we are on track to go to 17,800 to 18,000, which is the next resistance. So let us hope things go very well from now onwards. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.